So I think it is the right time. This is the right time to have such type of discussions. Having in many places the lockdown being opened up and the economy is gradually coming back to normalcy. I think the activity, both financial and non-financial activities, including the academic interest, should now hot up. So then the thing there should be more churn out. Having said that, now let me come back to the discussion of the day with regard to the banking sector in general and the impact of COVID-19 in particular. So before the impact of the COVID-19 in particular, I would like to make a small introduction of the small introduction about the Indian economy, how it is doing. So in fact, during the last whole of the year, that is 20 to 21, you know that the COVID was affected, had affected the entire Indian economy. All the states were affected. More than 1 year, that means for the full financial year, and again for the first quarter Q1 of this financial year. So there is no doubt about it. Everyone has been affected. Everyone, when I say this, all the sectors have been affected, and therefore banks have also been affected because the growth of the sector, the growth of the economy, is also reflects in the growth of the in the banking sector, and therefore banking has been affected to a large extent, I will say. But now the question is, how come the banks have taken this on their stride, and what are the steps they have taken to mitigate this factor? That is the question. And then, how did they come out successfully, if at all they have come out successfully, is the point to be noted. So, as I said, the first thing is that a very interesting perspective, as I told you, just let us see the period just before the COVID started, that is just before March 20. If we go back, you can see that the Indian economy was in a very interesting stage. I will quote one of the Reserve Bank of India governor. He had quoted in one of the meetings that the banking sector is in a very transformation stage and in a very exciting stage. That is very interesting comment here, right? Because we have been seeing that banking sector for the last at least 5 6 years is in a very exciting stage. Lot of new things are happening, including the coming of introduction of fintech companies and banking going digital and banks facing a lot of NPA problems and again coming back after making suitable provisions, etc. So there are a lot of churnouts, and then because of this, the banking sector definitely uh, is always in focus, and uh, and particularly with regard to COVID-19, the banking sector definitely had faced issues. First, with regard to the business growth, whether it is deposits or advances. But if you see the worldwide, the world economy and the Indian economy and the banking sector in particular, in that aspect also, Indian banks have done quite well. You must have seen the RBI report that the credit growth for the year 2021 was around 5.5%, whereas many of the countries have reported negative growth. Similarly, the deposit growth has also been in double digits. So the banking sector has grown in a decent manner. So that is one plus point. And Indian economy has fared well compared to the earlier projections. The GDP has not contracted to that extent which was projected. So what I will say is that the banking sector has done well, and the bank for the bankers, this was an entirely new thing. There are so many BCPs which bank had put in place, But COVID sector 19 was such a impending thing that nobody expected such a thing will come, and how it should be tackled. Nowhere it was defined, nowhere it had come to their mind. But but the thing, a very interesting thing to note, like see, we Indians, we are people who had varied interest, and we are, I will say, very skillful people. So therefore, in this one also, the banking fraternity has responded very well. And if you see, two main sectors were operational during the entire course of this COVID-19. One is health sector, and the second is banking sector. And banking sector, the performance is more than 95%. Even the remotest branch in village, the urban branch, metro, everywhere the this one banks have opened. This is something fantastic. Even during the curfew times, when the police were not allowing the bankers to go, bankers have managed to attend the banks, give banking service. That is with regard to the physical banking. Even with digital banking, the banks have given uninterrupted service to the customers. Really, hats off to the banking fraternity. And these were possible because of the systems and the digital, this one has been put in place by the banks over the period. I think therefore I will sum up, I will say that the banks have done very well during this COVID-19 situation. And now they, after learning whatever the experience, by their experiences, the banks are poised to do well, still better in the days to come. I think you have seen a lot of pitfalls in the banking industry during last 2 3 years for various reasons. But now I will say their uprising has started. In the next almost a decade, you will see the uprising of the banking industry, and banking performance will be one of the best in the days to come. That's what I want to know. I want to inform. And with this initial remarks, I will conclude my first phase of remarks, and maybe later on we can come back.